We all love emojis, don't we? Today we will learn how to draw them. You can make cool stuff out of those, such as stickers which you can paste on your bags, desk table, diaries and... So let's get familiar with all emojis, which we are going to draw step by step. Number 1. Smiling face with hearts. Second, face blowing a kiss emoji. Third, smiling face with heart eyes. Fourth, loudly crying face. Fifth, grinning squinting face. Sixth, face savouring food. Seventh, smiling face with sunglasses. We will draw this cool dude with 3D sunglasses, so don't miss the best part of the video. Eighth, hugging face. As we will move forward in the video, you will notice how easy and joyful it is to create these emojis. I just can't wait to finish doing them so I can start coloring them. You will notice how cheerful they will be once colored. One thing out of context, guys, if by chance you also have interest in cooking, just as I do, you can visit and check out my food channel by the name Saiba's Kitchen for easy and quick recipes. You can click on the iCard popped up on the screen to visit the channel, or you can check the description box for direct link. So our out sketch is ready. Now let's color them one by one. As I have told earlier in the video, in the upcoming video I will show you how to convert these emojis into super cool stickers. Just look how happy and joyful our emojis are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.